What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all photos from your iPad. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to help the channel grow. So let's dive in. So what you need to do is go head forward to your gallery. So once you're into your gallery, you're going to see all your photos right there. You're going to go ahead and click on the select button right up here. Then you're just going to go ahead and drag through what you want to delete. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete a couple of it to show you how you can actually do it. So I want to delete this two right here. I'll click on this delete button right below here. So once I click on it, you can see delete 3 items. So I go ahead and delete it. They're normal. So for you to permanently delete it, you need to click right here. You come down to recently deleted. You're going to see what you actually deleted right now from your phone. So from here, you can select them here again and delete them permanently from your iPad.